Have you read the new book, Foo?
No man, what book, dude?
It is a great one. It's called Birds and Ducks.
Dude. But ducks are birds too. Are they not?
What the fuck, man? Are you some kind of sicko?
Sicko, what the F? I am telling ya. Ducks are motherfucking birds and shit. What kind of logic is that?
Well, dude, I just didn't know you were into that kind of thing.
What the heck, bro? You are being irrational?
Maybe you just don't get it.
Fuck you, I don't. You are being a fool. What? Is it something you read in that book or some shit?
Fa 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 fa. I think you are in question. Here, let me show you.
Dude. That's one huge duck you got there.